chocolate just hit the floor.
I mean, there is the 5-second rule, right? Should be fine. But are you really sure? How about we run a real health check? This is the exact moment it dropped, captured by the CCD system in our factory. This is not a video, but a sequence of photos. It snaps 150 25 million pixel high-resolution images every single second. But that's just the beginning. What really matters is the visual AI. Look here. The moment I put it down, the AI had already completed its analysis. That's all dirt scratches. Zoom in 4 times, 10 times, even 100 times, and you can spot dirt. That's only microns wide. This is what happens every day in our battery factory. CCD and Visual AI monitors the production line 24/7, so there's zero room for error. Now, let me show you what we really do. Here we can take a look at part of the coating process, a critical step in battery manufacturing. This coating machine is 1.2 meters wide. Here, the slurry is applied evenly onto copper foil or aluminum foil. It might look still, but it's actually racing at 120 meters per minute. Once dried, it becomes what we commonly call the cathode and anode electrode sheets. So where are the eyes? They're here and here. Every frame they capture is sent instantly to AI for analysis. Is the coating uniform? Are there pinholes? Are there scratches? The system feedbacks in milliseconds for auto adjustments. A few microns is impossible to see with the naked eye, but for a battery, it could lead to cracking, shorter service life, or even safety risks. Throughout the entire factory, there are hundreds of CCD and Visual AI combinations like this. Together, they can identify 400 to 500 types of defects. With this extremely strict system, cell defect rates are down to the 1 part per billion, or the ppb level. This is how serious we are. We don't even let a single micron of error slide. So when you're driving your EV, you can do so with real confidence, because countless pairs of eyes have already guarded every critical step at the source.